What we're going to do in this first lesson is set our scene up to get it ready for our animation. This scene is located in the My Data folder and it's called lesson_01 if you don't know where to find it. And I also wanted to note that for those of you who are following up from the facial setup kit, I've gone ahead and deleted the blend shapes since they're already baked, and I've also deleted their layers as well. And this was just done to clean up the scene. Okay, let's go to our preferences and change a few things. So we'll go up to Window, Settings and Preferences, Preferences. Okay, and if you want to get there a little faster, you can click on this icon here at the corner. But in our preferences, let's go down to Settings, and we're going to change time from film 24 frames per second to NTSC 30 frames per second. And this is just so that our frame count in Maya will match with the frame count on our live footage that we'll be using a little bit later on. Okay, next we'll go down to Animation, and under Animation we're going to change our default in and out tangency to flat. So let's do that. And why flat? Well, flat's going to allow us to get the nice subtle movements that we're looking for in our animation. Alright, so flat tangency is great to use. Next we'll go down to Timeline, and in Timeline we just want to fix the playback speed. We want to make sure that it's set to real time 30 frames per second, so 30 frames per second will be set. And once we've done these things, we can now hit save to save those settings. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn on auto key, and that's just going to speed up the keying process. So we want to definitely make sure that we have that turned on. And with these things done, we've completed lesson 1, and we can now move on to the next lesson, which is the beginning to our warm-up lessons.